So this is problem 8 from chapter 6 of CFIN7. This is another bond price or market value calculation. So Fine Fishing Lures FFL has an outstanding bond with a face value, $1,000 face value and a 9% coupon rate of interest paid semi-annually. The bond, which was issued 22 years ago, matures in 8 years. We don't really care when it was issued. We care how long it is to maturity. If investors require a return equal to 4% to invest in similar bonds, what is the market value of FFL's bond? So we got 8 years semi-annually, so 8 times 2 is 16. The investors will require a 4% return, so 0.04 divided by 2, so 2% semi-annually. We're calculating PV, so the payment is $1,000 times the 0.09 and divided by 2. One thing to note here, this the coupon rate is greater than the investor's required rate of return or yield to maturity. So we're going to have a premium bond here, meaning that the value of that bond is going to be greater than the face value. So $45 every 6 months and then $1,000 future value. So equals PV. And we got rate, comma, number of periods, comma, payment, the coupon payment, and comma, and then the future value. And so $1,339.44 is the market value or price of that bond.